this one blowing 80. You think it's hot?
No,
It's not hot.
no,
You'll
it's
be
not.
feeling cold. So this temperature, you gotta higher than your body. Means you are 97, they should be got close to about 100.
100,
97, 100, 98, they call it heat. If not, that's only called a war. It's not called a heat, right? So that's your temperature looking for.
Okay.
Okay. So remember, this is a high efficacy. You guys come from their lab, you have 80%, 90%. What is 80%, 90%? So how many percent is in the heat? Ask yourself, how many percent in the heat? This is called 100%. So that means that even 90% is 110 degrees. So this one should be about 120 degrees. If they open the hose, that's called efficacy, right? If not, you lose heat loser somewhere. Make sense? So people will ask you, what is electrical furnace percent rate? It's 100%. Make
Okay.
sense?
Yes, sir.
Yep. That's all you guys looking for.
100%. Yep.
You guys pick out that? That's why when you open it.
So it's an air handler, right?
You got a lot of stuff. So make sure you wire band right.
You want your assignment?
No problem. So you said 5 minutes?
One assignment?
5 minutes.
Okay?
1, 2, 3.
Here's the deal. You want to look at logo? Put the
We gotta wait 5 to 10 minutes.
5-10 minutes.
One by
You
one.
want to use the other one?
Put the back in there. Alright, you guys good?
At the same time?
Yeah, the other one.
What you guys doing? We looking at
Because if you said 5,
Oh, the
5, 10 minutes.
Two more units in here. Nobody working this 2 units? Are you guys ready? To work? Yeah, we have a 3 unit. You guys gotta go.
Let's drop this in there.
Don't tell. I still plenty.
And then put the other one. The other one up top.
You guys want to do it?
And put it up there. Put the thing on the meter on the unit. Just can.
But I gotta remember where you go. Gotta remember that like a location.
You said 5 minutes, so you put one in there and then put that up there.
5 minutes. Guys, as I said, don't concentrate on the number, concentrate on the
So,
why you guys are the shortest man trying to fight up there? Come on, man. You guys, come on.
this is saying 75.
Oh, there you go.
75.
75?
For return.
This one's 73.
73.
So that's 2.
2 delta T, right?
Yeah.
Damn, that's low. The perfect delta T is between 15 and 20, right?
Yep. 75.
This is for fan, right? This is
For fan only.
Fine without the heat.
Without the heat.
Return, what was one? Return?
70.
75 minus 73. So that's without the heat. But now we're going to do it again with the system on a call for heat.
On the call for heat?
Yes, sir.
All right.
So I'm going to do the same again, okay?
All right.
What's the number in here first? Other eyes, what's the number in there? Yes. Take a rotation. This one, that means where this one going to be deep for.
Oh, he said 5 minutes, right?
I just dropped that in.
Yes.
Sensor,
Well, we can take it now.
Alright, sensor and
He
time.
was saying just concentrate.
Yeah, we wait for 2 minutes.
What lab are you guys working for in here? 10 minutes. 8, right? Alright, good job.
That's not even feeling hot, bro. That was,
You didn't put in for call for heat?
yeah, he's gonna call for heat.
Just did.
Feels warm. Oh, there you go. There you go.
It's just like in here. One quarter. One half. One half. Horsepower, you can, majority, you can, no, let's just say, horsepower, you can make 1/4 in 5. 1/4. 1/4, 1/3. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, RPM, yeah, it's a 107. Are you going to get the ice? One guy, horsepower,
Do it now?
0.33, so it's 1/3, 0.03. Right? So yeah, he got the right information in here right now.
What you got?
0.075 RPM and 0.003 is a 1/3.
75,
87?
You guys good?
75, and
87?
or, yeah, 87 on return.
What's your horsepower? What's your RPM?
Like that way.
Good job, buddy. Excellent job.
That's what, 12?
12.
You know, that's not important. Important, right?
It's 12,
You
right?
got a first.
12, yeah.
You guys face it. It's a service, right?
And then,
You guys know.
okay, apply the CFA.
Supply, 78.
So low.
78?
How do I replace that? How do I buy it? How do I do that?
No, 87, right?
Yeah, 87.
87, bro.
You gotta tell
Minus 75 is 12.
people ask me, what do you need?
I said that just now. I know that heat naturally goes because we were doing it in the furnace.
That shit dope, bro.
Like your car, you know, make your sound.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, but so don't have this one.
We got the hanger right here.
I
too.
gave it to him for his birthday.
My birthday.
Your car, you lose your mother.
Alright, man.
Alright, so we had Google the blow model model. So you had it still on your phone, right?
Right? So you already know that the water is, right?
So the model is 342544.
Yeah. Yeah. Reverse map. Reverse map, you know how to work, right? You already know how to work, right? You sure? You sure how to work?
I don't know about it.
So this is we all call it one pole. This one all call it discharge.
So what are we
Tell me discharge.
We're looking for record the shaft size and horsepower.
Shaft size 1/4.
But we already got the horsepower, right? Because we had the
yeah.
1075.
So the half shaft is the little bolt that goes in there, right, on the blower.
No, the size of, you know, the stick coming like this?
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
That one right there. So
Like,
that's
it's 1/4.
that'll be your shaft size.
Shaft size, yeah.
So what's that?
1 and a 1/4.
1/4.
So the 3/4 for what?
horsepower.
No, this. Oh, the horsepower. Scan this right here.
Oh, sorry, bro.
You good? You good? So 3/4
You guys good?
Yeah, we're good.
HD. So we have the shaft size.
What happened? I moved. This one. I just moved. I can put it in here.
So what size conductors is supplying voltage for the heat strip?
The 14 gauge. We say 14 gauge.
Where's that?
Because if you check right here,
Don't touch that, bro.
see this one?
Oh, the wires.
Yeah, so this one says 12 gauge. So, no, it's 12 gauge. We said 12 gauge, right?
He said 12 gauge and 14.
Oh, right here, look.
You see it on it?
Yeah, it's right there, 10 gauge.
Yeah, 10 gauge.
Right there, 10 gauge.
So they'll say 10, right? Well, this one is same size?
Those are the same size.
10 gauge.
10 gauge.
Automatically your load will be 2. Yeah?
And what is the rating of the heat strip?
Loads will always be line voltage. 208. The same as the line voltage.
Right there.
Yeah?
It's off,
The
right?
white paper up there?
No, remember it's not the voltage. The rating is this one right here, 0.5,
5 point.
5.0.
Oh, it's not the voltage?
No,
Yeah, that's not.
What are we looking at now?
The rating of the heat strips. You said 5.0?
5.0.
kW.
What are we looking at?
The rating for the heat
The heat
strip,
strip? Where you guys seeing it?
it's right in there,
Say on this.
5.0.
Okay. Hey, good stuff, guys.
Then he says, with the system not
Forward.
calling for heat but energize.
What's that?
With the system not calling for heat but energize, what is the reading across the line voltage contacts on the sequencer? You took the jumper out?
Yeah, it's right here.
So it's just now, let's figure out what they mean by that. With the system not calling for heat but energize, what is the reading across the line voltage sequencer?
But it doesn't have a sequencer.
That's a sequencer, yeah.
This.
That's That's your relay.
So the line voltage. The yellow on the blue.
I think this is your sequencer here. That's your little switch. Where's Zoo? Zoo!
Oh, okay.
Does this have a sequencer? Is that?
This is no sequencer. This is a DC relay. Sequencer is this one. This is a color sequencer. This is a color sequencer. So this is called a DC relay. So sequencer is a bimetal. This
So
is
they're
a
asking for the power across the
so
sequencer.
they don't have that.
Skip.
So you just across, you can across here. This one and this one. So this one just like a contact. When they put on the W1, called a 24 in here, like you calling for W1 heat, and then they close bottom to top. You see that yellow one light yellow one. This one is a T1, L2, T2 means your color is yellow in the layer. One is black in here. So when they close, these two is going to your electrical heat strip.
Okay.
So close and open depend on these two. So you can measurement here and here. When they when they know coding for heat, after coding heat you can measurement here and here. But be careful, it's very tiny. Don't.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Follow? Good.
Dale, güey. No lo apuntes, güey. Si te fijas cuál, no?
He said yellow or black,
Yeah.
right?
The two yellows.
The two yellows, yeah.
In the winter time,
You want me to de-energize and then... Oh, you got it, bro.
It says the energizer.
No, energize.
So it'd be these two yellow?
Two
Yeah.
yellow, top and bottom.
Top and bottom?
this unit,
I don't want to get knocked out, bro.
Was it really?
Nah, nothing, bro. You gotta put it correctly.
What you got?
We won't get 24, I think, right? Nah.
No, right?
You're probably not getting proper contact.
Proper contact. Alright, so we skip that one.
Where are you trying to put?
These two yellow right here.
Let me see.
in your winter. So that's why you see that your book. That's what I mean. Yeah, later on you will feed it.
All right, 40, 39.
I want to know how they reverse, how they work, how they drop pressure when you change.
209.
209.
So it's 208, right?
It doesn't really matter. That's a written there. Nothing? Alright, so you have to go across it. Well, this is one line here, power coming in here. This is yellow. And this is black. So that is your line coming across it. So that will be your voltage.
Ah, okay, got you.
209 that you got first.
Right, that will be your voltage.
208.
208.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Alrighty.
So
Makes
then,
sense.
on a call for heat with 24 volts measured at the coil of the sequencer, how many seconds per the first?
Hold on. Let me see. Dale, güey. There you go.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Got it.
I got it right here.
This one, because it says we don't have a sequencer,
So
right?
when you said that, you check line 1 and line 2,
Line
right?
two, going,
Okay,
going.
across? All right.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So you check which one? This one?
You
Yellow
check
and black.
yellow and black.
Okay, got you.
Up top, right? Two top one.
All right.
All right, so this is saying on a call for heat with 24 volts measured at the coil of the sequencer, but we don't have a sequencer. How many seconds pass before the first set of strip heaters are energized?
Alright, on what we on 14?
Yes.
So on the call for... So we just gotta count, right?
So
We
you
just
know
gotta
what?
count
you want
before-
to skip that one and do 15 because he took the book and he went out. So I guess he's gonna check something. So Sean,
Okay.
let's do 15 till he comes out, bro.
He's the blower.
Is the blower? Oh, and then we're gonna need this first. Alright, let's wait. Because it says it's a blow motor energized before or after the first set of strip heaters. I think when you turned it on earlier, the blow motor came on first, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he came on first.
Yeah. So probably before.
So what was the other one?
How many amps is the unit drawing with no call for heat? Okay, we can do this. How many amps is the unit drawing with no call for heat at L1 and L2?
So when it be close,
No, it won't be.
L1 and L2.
It will be in drawing nothing, right? Because
There's no call for heat.
Yeah, nothing's working.
Zero.
Zero.
How many amps are being drawn by the unit with a call for heat?
Shit.
So we gotta do a call for heat, right?
All right.
make sense? Let's go do that. So you will find it is closed and open. Right? That's it.
See, the blue one came on first.
Mm-hmm.
What we got?
19.1.
It says L1 or L2. Okay.
L1.
Or. Yes. So
L2 is 18.8.
So 19. So we wait till he gets back. With the fan in the on position, what is the difference between the return air and the supply air?
With the fan on? Just the fan, right?
Yeah. Difference between the return and the supply air. Delta T.
So if you want to do between different retain and supply, please close the door. You can get a right one. If you don't close the door, you never get a right one. Okay? Please.
Alright, so we good?
Yeah, we good.
Remember, you guys take your time.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Skip 14.
Okay. Because here should be your 24 volts on this here. Should be getting 24 volts here with a
That
coil
means
for
should be lose the power. This is a heat
you
pump.
go ahead.
You probably looking 208, 240.
Close the door.
So check out properly. You see that? Now you got it right.
So it's just a fan, right?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, just the fan.
Yeah, you good.
Did I give you the screwdriver?
Yo.
You want sign then?
TSC.
That's it, bro. Just one.
RPM.
It ain't holding it, right?
Is 10 RPM. They were ready coming here.
I don't think it's the proper size.
They were ready coming here.
Screws, right?
Try catching this one.
They have a pistol behind it here.
Those are the ones
you can
that-
rent it about 1075 or 1100. Sometimes this one, Google, you use this model, you can Google them. So they can find out each. They have an RPM.
Should be the same one.
All right.
Anyway, so the fan on.
RPM would mean
Difference between
rotation
you got
per minute, right? So you can open
temperature
it
one.
to a blower. You can fix
Temperature.
If you can
on
open
the
the blower,
return.
use this model number.
It's just the fan going on right now.
So we're finding Delta T.
Alright, so you can write down 1075 or 1025, or can write down 1100 RPM if you speak in future. No story free.
So return, right?
So Nanoma running about 5-10 minutes, you can get a property.
5-10 minutes?
Yes.
Okay.
So every time you go into customer house, so what are you guys looking for? For example, you are in winter, people would want heat. So how high is the heat gotta go? How high heat gotta go? For example, your body is 96, 97 degrees.
Right.
If I give you 80, you feeling hot or you feeling cold?
Hot.
How be you? We are only you are first master. You know that heat always travel from warmer to cold.
Right.
Right? So you are skin is 97, and then